Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another top tip. And this is a tip that comes from me from a subscriber. But I have to apologize. I cannot remember who sent this to me because it was years ago. But I just remember thinking, how did I not know about these? I didn't know because I didn't wear braces. And if you're not a person who wears braces, you probably didn't know about these. This is a floss threader and it's used for fletting floss, there you go, through braces. See what this is used for? But we're going to use it in our crafty world. Let me open this guy up. So these actually come from CVS Pharmacy, but there's lots of other ones out there. You don't even have to get this particular brand. What I love about these is they come in a little case. This is great. This is the first time I've had them in a case. Normally, I just got them in a little container, like they just opened up and went everywhere. So I would tie a string around them. So if you get those, just tie a string around them and put them somewhere where you know they're at. I love the case. Here's what they look like. They are basically dental floss that is sealed together at the bottom. Now I have made one of these before just using some fishing line and glue because I didn't have one handy, but I did have fishing line, imagine that. So you can make one for yourself, but wow, they're so inexpensive and I love them. All right, so I'm gonna open up some baker's twine and show you how I use these guys. What you do is you thread baker's twine or ribbon or anything through this loop because you see how big, it's like threading a needle, right? And then this helps you to thread the ribbon or string or whatever through the project you're working on. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? No more fighting with string. Now, obviously, I could have easily threaded this through without it, but if you're using ribbon or something like that and you have a hole you need to get through, these little guys are awesome. Now, they are hard to see. You might lose these on your work surface or whatever and find them later, but you do get a lot in the pack, and having this case will make things even easier because if you remember to put them away, then you'll have them right at your fingertips all the time. I love this tip. This is one of my favorite things that was ever sent to me, honestly. I never knew they existed and it made life so easy. So grab yourself some dental threaders or floss threaders and use it for whenever you have a tiny hole that you need to thread. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I was told recently to remind you every time that when this channel gets to 100,000 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway for a cutting machine of the winner's choice, either a Silhouette or a Brother Scan and Cut or a Cricut. So please subscribe and share this channel with those that you think would enjoy some tips and tricks, and we will talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.